But yeah, this video, I'm just gonna tell y'all, like, really, I went back to school shopping, I guess, and I'm trying to spend under $200. So this is how you can go back to school shopping for under $200 for returning students, not for new students, because I would be lying to y'all if I was talking about new students, because you're gonna need a lot of stuff. Okay, so this is my room. I stay in Howard Plaza Towers West. The only thing that was in here was just the tables that you can see and my bed. All right, y'all, so I'm finally moved into my room. This is kind of a mess right now, but I have all my bags and stuff that still need to be unpacked. Got my towels over there and my stuff for the bathroom, and then sheets, and yeah. Let me put this up too. But yeah, and then I have my setup over here. It's very simple. It's not that real like jazzy room tour, but I got my lotion, my computer, printer. You need to have a printer. You need to have your own printer. That's not negotiable. When you come to Howard or any college, honestly, you need to have a printer in your room, because when you late and you need to print something, it's already there. You don't have to go to the library. You don't have to worry about stuff being down. You already have your own printer. My HDMI cord is connected to that, so I can watch it on my TV. I need to get command strips, but this is my calendar. Keep a calendar to have, like, just to be organized, because you're going to get stressed out. You're not going to remember things that you thought you would remember, and if it's written down, you can see it. And then I have my bins under here. I don't have a lot of stuff. Just these two, winter and summer. And then over here, this is my bin that has all my school supplies in it. It also has a fan in it. And then this container has my shoes that I need to unpack, and a suitcase. And that's all that's there. My lips are chapped, whatever. Don't believe, for whatever reason, if you don't believe that I did all this for under $200, I'm about to post the receipt, because numbers add up. After moving in, I got some stuff for my wall from Mexico. This board that I have costed $7.50 at Goodwill. You download the Walmart app, you can put up your receipts so they're itemized and you can see everything. Here's my itemized receipt, just showing everything that I'm about to show you in this upcoming part. Yeah, so it makes it really easy to keep track of what you're buying. If you need to return things, you can do it that way, and it just looks a lot better than keeping receipts.
But yeah, this is 30 pieces, I think. So 30 pieces of Tupperware. I think I got this for $10 at Walmart. And then I got shrimp for shrimp and grits. That's my, like, cheap meal, I guess. Or my expensive meal, really. Chopped onions, so I don't have to cut onions. Broccoli, chicken breast, and that's not mine. And then I got almond milk. I forgot the cereal. Eggs for breakfast, for French toast. What else goes? Cookies, anything. A rotisserie chicken. Just not me busy, honestly. You just about to shred that up. So we got cheese for grits and tacos, chicken tacos, and then cheddar for sandwiches, turkey. That can also go in a tortilla. I know it's a struggle, but it works when you're hungry. Butter. And then over here I got 2 fruits. I always choose 2 fruits when I go shopping. Here, I had these from last semester, honestly. I never ate them, but summer, like, honestly, don't throw away all your food when you leave, because this expires. Where's the expiration date? This expires June 2019, so don't throw away your stuff. Like, if you can save some of it in a little bit, so when you move in, you don't have to worry about, like, food for the first few days, so you can get time to, like, do everything. Some snacks from home, barbecue sauce for chicken. Next time I go grocery shopping, I might get wings, soy sauce to marinate the chicken in, or, like, to use it as a seasoning, really. Grits, simple. Oatmeal when you're on the go, quick in the morning. Crackers, tortillas, a little bit of rice. This is only like 88 cents at Walmart. If you get the Walmart brand, a little bag of rice, for one person it'll last you for a while. Also, I'm not good at making rice, so baggies, just to have something to put all my food in. because I'm not gonna have a meal plan. The basic seasonings, you're gonna need some salt and pepper. You're gonna need some minced garlic. So when it says add garlic, I'm garlic heavy, so I put hella garlic in everything. Chili powder, vanilla extract, that's for French toast. Cinnamon for French toast. I forgot nutmeg. I got this big old thing of taco seasoning because you can make chicken tacos, you can make beef tacos, and just always have the seasoning on hand. Baking soda for pancakes, baking powder, and then always garlic powder and onion powder. And on top of that, I already have the onion powder, or onions and peppers. Yeah, so those are all the seasonings that I bought. Oh, the shrimp, I'm supposed to be putting this up, or taking some out to thaw for later. Also got a watermelon. I gotta wait till I get my knife set to come in to do that.
Also, I got pasta. I got the big old box of El Boni pasta. And then some syrup for French toast. A big old thing of spaghetti sauce. Because you're going to be eating a lot of spaghetti. That's quick and easy. And then vegetable oil to grease the pan and stuff. I already had these left over from a party. Just plastic forks and stuff. I'm just taking out my shrimp and putting it in this container for later. I don't need that many really. Just one person. For this bag of shrimp. If I thaw out this much shrimp, oh right there it goes. But if I thaw out this much shrimp every time, this big old bag, which was $10, that's my splurge item. This little bag should last you for a minute. So I'm gonna just put this in the fridge until later. Maybe by tomorrow. Actually, I'm gonna make shrimp. I can make shrimp and grits tomorrow. I don't know, honestly. I was gonna make French toast, but shrimp and grits also sounds good for breakfast. And I have grapes too. And then I need to put this Tupperware away. Sorry, y'all looking at all up under my chin. I need to put this Tupperware away. And yeah, that's about it. That's all I'm doing today. I know I told y'all about the Tupperware, but also I got these little things. The thing that my rice was in, basically, I also bought that today. And it was like, I don't remember how much it was. It was cheap. So my whole thing was only $150, and I have everything I need for my kitchen. Granted the fact that my sweet mate already had stuff. Basically have everything. And I didn't have to spend that much. You just really have to stick to your budget and make a list. That's the biggest thing, is to make a list, because if you don't make a list, you're just gonna go to the store and be seeing stuff, and you're gonna be like, oh, I want that, I want this, and you're gonna spend more money than what you need to spend. So yeah, that's how you can budget for your first month of school. If you're not on a meal plan, like, just get the basics and then make a list and stick to it. That's the key point, is just to stick to it. Numbers add up. Hey guys, that's all for this video. Please stay tuned for the second part of this video, going thrift shopping for back to school clothes. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much.